Disclaimer, this is a work of fiction. Please don't be an idiot and play these stones in the air. Doing so will get you banned, or get in prison for 5 years for causing massive panic and confusion. Anyways, grab a slice of pizza and enjoy. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. We are looking for Gunnerly Mathis Baker. He's a white male, approximately 8 years old, has blonde hair and green eyes. He was wearing Sonic the Hedgehog shirt, with blue pants and gray shoes. He was last seen with Team Sonic, before something unknown made him disappeared. We currently don't know where he went. But Kameron, Team Sonic, the Mario Brothers, and more are going to start searching for them. Kameron is confirmed to be the older cousin. If you see the assailant and the child matching the description, call 911 immediately. Let's help this child survives. Until now, stay tuned for further updates as this situation becomes available. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. Gunnerly Mathis Baker was confirmed to be found dead. Almost the entire body was eaten. An unknown figure started breaking into people's homes and starting eating them. The figure is described as lemon-like color, is approximately about 8 feet tall, has black eyes. He also has orange shoes. This figure has been confirmed to be responsible for the killing of Gunnerly Mathis Baker. The name has already been given. His name is Pac-Man from the 1980 arcade game Pac-Man. If you see Pac-Man anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for further information on this dangerous situation. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. We have 7 days until the big battle starts. Prepare your weapons, if you wish to fight in a week. 7 days left, 7 days left, 7 days left.
I can't believe we actually lost Gunner. Yeah, he was a cute person in our family, but he was 8. Just 8. But he was still normal. This is something I need to tell you guys what. Well, he was last seen with us before he disappeared. Wait. Sonic. I think you're onto something. If Pac-Man... Wait, if the body is there, that means Pac-Man really is real and is responsible for the killing. Wait. I think you're onto something, Kameron. Yeah. Come on, we're gonna grab the others. Back to our cave. Beside your house? Yeah, no, it's actually down the creek from my house. Alright, we're grabbing everyone and we're gonna do this now. Alright? Now let's prepare.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. We have 6 days until the big battle starts. Prepare your weapons, if you wish to fight in 6 days. 6 days left, 6 days left, 6 days left. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. We have 4 days until the big battle starts. Prepare your weapons, if you wish to fight in 4 days. 4 days left, 4 days left, 4 days left. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. The fight will now start. Grab your weapons and now prepare for the biggest fight of your life. Fight now, fight now, fight now, fight now. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. This is a all-clear message. Pac-Man has been defeated. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for watching this video. On EAS Tools you make your EAS alerts by using select voice and text-to-speech announcements. You can also download the audio file and add them to your EAS scenario. Thanks for watching.